Okay, here we are for an extra special the night before Game Jam update. And what have I been doing with the game engine? Well, let's start with the actor who's going over there. And you'll note that we have got a convex collision, completely working fine. And over here, don't worry about them yet, a concave collision that is now working fine. What's going on? Okay, well, there's lots of these little guys around now, and I'll deal with them in just a second. Okay, so that's working, and that's working, and that's working. Great, so we can do all of that now that we couldn't do before. Alright, so we've got a few extra actors in here. Only one of them is the player character, of course. And I've also got a reset button, so here we go with reset. And back to the start. Now, we are actually chugging through the frames quite significantly here because I didn't have a very efficient algorithm for having all these actors in the same scene. I need to implement what's called a sweep and prune algorithm so that I don't have so many scene/act interactions, but I still got it for now. Okay, so we still got some work to do, but I have got basic physics going with these guys. Of course I missed. Crap. So the Y collisions are not working so well, but everything else is kind of acting as you would basically expect. I can, however, still push straight through the actors that are, which is not what I would like to have happen. The one at the very end here has got a higher mass than the others, so if I push him out of the way, I should be able to push the others through. You know what, let's just reset it. Okay, so where were we? Okay, so I push you off the edge. Okay, he's very light, and then I can sort of bash these ones along, and eventually push this guy off the edge, and he'll reset back to the middle. Player characters here, push these ones along. They do have some basic interaction, but it's kind of a midnight hack job, and I need to improve it for the real deal. But I can avoid it in the game jam simply by avoiding having this kind of advanced physics, so that's good. I mean, I'll be determining what the game is supposed to do. So if I don't want the actors to collide in this way, then they won't. For now, it's just something I'm working on. And you can see what's happening when the Y collisions are not working properly. Let's go over here so I have to see that. Nope. And they're going through the wall too. Great. Okay, so I've got three other actors here. This one on the far right is what I call a bounce actor. And this is an actor that my actor can't go through. And this is for some kind of large object that, you know, a door or a box or something that I'm not meant to be able to go through. Then I have another kind of actor that is like a power-up. When my actor goes through it, the item disappears. And the last actor I've got is like a reset actor, which basically acts as a monster. When I move into it, you guessed it, I get reset. Maybe I can fix up this mess up here. Get off. There we go. Okay, so that's basically the main capability things I've done. In terms of actual code, though, there's been significant changes. In fact, you notice the planets that have been here for the entire presentation so far have disappeared. That's because I've changed the code over so that I'm now using a more organic, object-oriented methodology. So now I can spam out actors and scenes much faster, which is why there's now heaps. And I will need to work on extra camera modes and music and sounds tomorrow. So this is a fairly advanced game physics that I basically hacked together in 2 hours. I would like to do a more advanced version of it when I've had some more time, so that this kind of glitches aren't happening. But for the basic purpose of actor-on-actor collision with some level of complexity has been completed. This gives me a lot of options for the competition starting tomorrow. So let's see, tomorrow during the day I will try and implement sound and music. I'll implement camera modes when I need them in the competition. If I get time, I'll do it during the day tomorrow. I think that's about it. So good luck to me, and I'll see you in the next video.